All right, so check it out. This is my Ridgid portable shop vac. It's 4 gallon, and my hose got all screwed up and broken. So I got this one off of Amazon. You just plug it right in like that. I mean, it's really easy. And look at it. Look at this thing. Check it out. It is a hose. Let me back it up here so you can see it. That is the hose. And it comes with a bunch of these things over here. You know, you can hook onto it. So, you know, and this is your thing here. You can open it up and let a little air in and out. But it's a pretty good little deal. And you guys can get this on Amazon, of course, because, you know, you can get everything on Amazon. But that's it, man. If you need a new hose, I totally recommend this bad boy right here. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff about this vacuum cleaner that I've had for about 15 years.